Hi guys, welcome back to Boost Up Fitness. It's been a long time since we've made a video, and in this gap we have created this logo for Boost Up Fitness and we have been receiving very good response for it, and all the credit goes to Anant Abjit for doing this. Today we are back with the most interesting topic, that is why should we go to gym? So I came across this question from many people and I felt weird when I heard this question, but then I started finding out answers for this. So as soon as you hear this question, there might be few points that strike your mind. The very first and the most common reason is to build up muscles, and the other point is to cut off fat. Now, can't we do this without gym? Yes, we can. But then why should we go to gym? Is there anything more we get from a gym? Yes. So basically, endurance, flexibility, body composition and muscle strength are the major things we'll have to consider in terms of fitness. In gym, we can build muscle strength by weighted workouts, endurance through cardio workouts and flexibility by stretching. And as a result, your body composition gets better. So is that all? No, there are many other aspects to be considered. So the first thing is, when you go to gym, you don't have much distractions around you, but when you start working out at your home or any other place, there can be a lot of distractions by which your workout can get discomposed. So the next one is, when you go to gym, you will have a trainer to check if you are doing it the right way. So you will have someone to correct you at the right time, and also your trainer can teach you new ways to reach your goal quickly. Now a good reason to go to gym is, you will have access to a wide range of equipment in a gym by which you can perform safe progressive overload. Progressive overload is increasing the intensity of your workout at every step, which helps you to build your skill and progress rapidly. So in lockdown, while I didn't have access to any of the equipment, I could really understand the need of it, and once I am back to gym, I could clearly find the difference in my progress. So in gym, you will be surrounded by people who are determined about the similar goals you have. And when like-minded people are present in the same room, you are more likely to do better, and this can make you more disciplined and motivated towards your goal. Usually, we lose motivation too quickly if we can't find the results we expect. So since we can find good results when we go to gym, we'll surely make it a routine at least for few months. And building a routine is the greatest advantage to control your body the way you want. So building a routine can help you calculate your gains and areas of improvement. So I think I could cover few good reasons to go to gym. In case if you feel I forgot to add anything, or if you want to raise any points regarding the things I shared, please write it in the comment section. And if you agree with me, please hit the like button and share this video with your communities. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to Boost Up Fitness.